How to reduce lag and boost FPS in Zooba game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you facing lag, freezing or low FPS while playing Zooba? If yes, then first of all launch open the Zooba game on your device and also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet connection. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap open the gear icon at the top right corner from the lobby page. Inside settings, select visual from the left and under quality, make sure to choose low. Right next to max FPS, select 30 and once you do that, you can get back to your home screen or the lobby page, and with this, you might be able to reduce lag and boost FPS in the game. If the problem still continues, then you can also go ahead and close off any background apps that is currently running while playing the game on your device. After you lower the graphics on the game, this might help you with the laggy issue and boost performance on your device. Now, if the problem still continues, the next thing you want to do is to open up the settings app on your Android device and under settings, scroll down to apps. Inside the app list, select Zooba and tap on it. Now click on Clear Data at the bottom right and in the pop-up click on Clear Cache. Now click OK in the pop-up to clear the cache data from the Zooba game. Now get back to the Zooba app again. This will restart the application and also remove any junk data from the app. After you make sure of these, you can now go ahead and start playing battles and you'll notice the difference. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that the game does not lag. With a better connection, fewer background apps and a cooler device, your gameplay will feel much smoother and faster. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.